Morning, Adrian at Engine Carbon Clean. We've got an Audi TT. This is a 2-litre diesel from 2013, 74,000 on the clock. Now the owner's got no running issues, just wanted to get it booked in for peace of mind. It's had it since April with the mileage, just wanted to get it checked out and just cleaned up. Nice bit of preventative maintenance, bit of TLC for this one. Not in particularly bad shape, this one. Just a few codes in it. There's an old code in there for Haldex clutch. That's not been on for a few months, looking at the last timestamp, but that's something just for the owner to keep an eye on. Other than that, all the live data looks pretty good. It's running a little bit cool. The thermostat's just showing its age. Got what, nine-year-old thermostat in this. A little bit cool, only a few degrees down on where it really should be. Other than that, all the injectors look pretty nice. It is ready for a regeneration, so the next long trip it does, I'm sure it'll do that. Other than that, everything looking pretty good. A bit of bass noise in this engine when we got to it, lovely and smooth and quiet, and now get that fuel economy back up and get that emissions down.